Pastor Warren here. Welcome to another edition of Mondays Are for the Dogs. We're out in, I think, Winnebago County, Seward, Illinois, at the Seward Bluffs. And we're in this beautiful oak tree grove that is providing us a lot of shade. And particularly for good old Barkley here. You know, we were out on the sunny path, and he's about ready to just lay down and take a rest. And so that's the one needful thing that he needs right now is, you know, a shady place to lay down and catch up on just cooling off. So it reminded me of just why we're out here, why we love coming out in the woods. It's a way for us to get away from the many distractions in life that seem to kind of clamor for our attention and you know, pull us one way or another. You know, we kind of get dragged about sometimes in life. And times we got to just pull away from that and find something that will give us focus again. The one needful thing that we need to restore ourselves and to kind of refresh ourselves. So that's really why we do these walks and why we found this place today, because no one's around. In fact, our focus has been on God's beauty and looking at birds and hearing them and just the landscape itself. So we're grateful for that. And so it reminded me of that story we heard over the weekend of Mary and Martha when Jesus stopped by for a visit. Martha was all busy with preparations to make Jesus feel at home, and she got so pulled away from one thing to another in her preparations that she missed the one needful thing that her sister Mary did catch. And that was the fact that, hey, Jesus is here. Let's just stop everything and sit down and listen to what he has to say so that we can be fed and refreshed and find our focus again. And so Martha was so distracted and pulled by those things, she called upon Jesus and said, Lord, don't you care that my sister just sits there doing nothing? And he said, Martha, come on now, Martha. She knows what she needs, and that's time with me. And your preparations are really great. I appreciate them. But you know what? How about taking some time with me? And then when we're done, you'll have plenty of time to do the things that you want to do for me. All the other things that pull you and are on your to-do list. So friends, I encourage you today to find a place where you can get that one needful thing in your life. Time alone with Jesus, time alone just to refresh and refocus, to get away from all that distracts you and pulls you one way or another. Hope you have a blessed day in the Lord. Looks like Barkley's ready to go. We'll see you farther down the trail. God bless your day. All right, here we go, guys.
a little bit. Oh, just turn that off. Watch the dung.